Hello and welcome back. In this video I am going to discuss and showing you YouTube ad result. Before in this video I have published a YouTube ad campaign. In this video I am going to discuss about the result and how much cost and how much we get the sales. First of all, I'm select the all times. If I select all times, here you can see our total spend is $90. Okay, here we get impression 8.77k and we got 72 traffics. Okay, and if we check a conversion, no conversion we have received. Okay, then we will check average CPM. Average CPM is $10. And if we check views, how many views we get? 71 views. That means if we check average CPM, CPV, average view interaction. Okay, we are checking view rate. View rate is 10%. And if we check also, so you understand, we got 90 views from our spending $90. So in this way you can check your data, and ultimately we do not get any conversion, so we need to wait to get a conversion. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is still learning phases, so in the next video I will make a report, YouTube ad report, that helpful to show to provide a report for your client. Thank you so much for watching this video.